Welcome to Cops Lens, where we present real-life police interactions captured on body cams and dash cams. In this video, we bring you a compilation of 4 intense police shootings that provide a raw and unfiltered look into the high-stakes situations faced by law enforcement officers. Each of these incidents underscores the split-second decisions and immense pressure officers endure while on duty. La Puente, California, on May 3, 2024, at 1:17 a.m., deputies from the industry station responded to a call in the 600 block of Willow Avenue regarding a possibly insane and suspicious person. The caller reported that a Hispanic male was screaming that someone had broken into his home. Before the deputies arrived, the call was updated to indicate that the male was fighting with family members.
He's gotten into a violent mode. He broke the windshield on the car. He got in a fight with his son right here, and he's thinking that somebody ripped him off.
Okay, where's he at?
Right there.
There's a son. Okay,
Relax. You relax.
Who are you?
Don't worry about me.
Oh, are you the neighbor?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go inside.
Yeah,
Turn around, Doug. Turn around.
Go inside.
Turn around. Relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
Calm down.
Hey, calm down. Head down. Head down.
Get down.
Hey.
Hey, put it down. Let's leave him.
As deputies commanded Orellana to drop the paint roller, he raised it above his head and made a motion as if to throw it at one of them. One deputy responded by deploying a burst of pepper spray, while the other kept him detained at gunpoint.
Drop that. Hey, go inside. Go inside.
Go inside.
All of you go inside.
Nope.
Hey, go inside. Go inside. Go inside.
Hello? What's going on? What's going on?
He's gotten into a violent mode. He broke the windshield on the car. He got in a fight with his son right here, and he's thinking that somebody ripped him off.
Okay, where's he at?
Right there, Sam.
Okay, relax.
You relax.
Who are you?
Don't worry about me.
Oh, are you the neighbor?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go inside. Come over here, dude. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Go inside.
Hey, relax. Relax. Hey, put it up. Get down.
Get down. Hey.
Hey.
Put it down.
Give me the patch.
I will get back. Stop.
You better stop right now. And it's in addition to units code, we got our own co-op. He's armed with some type of
Drop that shit. Drop that.
roller, metal roller. Drop it.
Right now.
Industry units, one
Drop that. Hey, go inside.
Go inside. Go inside.
Go inside.
Protect his arms. They are tonight 7 on Willow.
Relax.
You relax.
Who are you?
Don't worry about me.
Oh, are you the neighbor?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go inside. Come over here, dude. Turn around. Turn around, Doug. Turn around.
Go inside.
Hey, relax.
Calm down.
Relax.
Calm down.
Hey, calm down. Get down. Get down.
Hey. Hey. Put it
Give me
down.
the patch.
Let's leave him.
I will get back.
Stop. You better stop right now.
And it's in addition to
Stop
units
right now.
code, we got our own co-op. He's
Stop right
armed
now.
with some type of
Drop that shit. Drop that.
roller, metal roller.
Drop that right now.
Industry units, one
Drop that. Hey, go inside.
Go inside. Go inside.
You go inside.
Protect his arms. They are tonight 7 on Willow.
The suspect's hands. Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Keep your eyes on them. Keep your eyes on them. He doesn't have a gun, right? I can't see his waist.
Orellana sustained gunshot wounds to his lower torso. Deputies provided first aid until Los Angeles County Fire Department paramedics arrived. Orellana was then transported to a local hospital, where he was treated for non-life-threatening injuries. The deputy who was hit by the paint roller reported pain in his torso. No other individuals were injured in the incident.
Come this way so I can assess you. Grab his hand, grab his hand. I got him. He was uncallable as soon as we got here. This way, this way, this way, this way. I need to put handcuffs on you, then I can assess your injuries. Okay? Hey.
Los Angeles, California on March 24, 2024. At approximately 11:05 a.m., officers from the 77th Street Division responded to a radio call regarding a domestic violence restraining order violation in the 1700 block of West 59th Street. Upon arrival, the officers spotted the suspect, identified as Brian Garay, standing in front of the residence. Garay immediately fled, prompting a foot pursuit by the officers.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stay by, stay by, stay by! Stay by! Turn around! Turn around! Yeah, I got it, hold on. Turn around, turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna shock him again, I'm gonna shock him. Stand by, stand by. Stand by. Hey, stop! Stop! Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
So I'm supposed to like believe, man. You need to call the ambulance. You guys are assholes, nigga.
Hey, yeah, how was that?
You guys are assholes, like. Look, brother. I'm just trying. Look. I'm just trying to get up.
Easier if you just listen to what we're saying.
Stop. I am. Can I just get up and stand on my feet, por favor? Por favor?
No. You showed that standing on your feet, you're gonna try to run or fight.
What the f are you guys talking about? Like, brother. Please. Please, can you just tell me?
What?
Can you just please tell me, like, you guys are
No.
fucking...
Doesn't work like that. I don't care how many times you say please or
Man,
anything like that, okay? Chill out.
I'm trying to go back.
Chill
Nah,
out.
I'll go back to relax. I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. I mean... Hey, tripping, dog. What the f is this about?
Tasers.
Man, hey, look, brother. What is this about?
Look, hey, look.
Sir? The paramedics, we're gonna take you on over to the hospital, okay?
For the hospital for what?
Just to get you checked out.
I'm alright.
You got
I'm
tased.
telling you, if I'm telling you I'm alright, like,
but we gotta take you.
you
Just,
me, but still I'm
no, I didn't do
alright.
anything. We're just gonna take you to the doctor, okay?
Why you guys make me want to go to the hospital?
Sit back.
For what reason? Hold on, I don't need no hospital.
You got tased, man. We gotta
check out your heart and everything. Just sit
I'm good.
During the transport, Gary began to exhibit signs of medical distress. He was admitted to the hospital in critical condition, but has since been upgraded to stable condition. No officers or community members were injured during the incident.
I needed some fucking emergency help.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on these intense situations and what you'd like to see in future videos.
Yeah, what you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
What? Calm down. Yeah, nothing but time.
Anne Arundel County, Maryland on March 28, 2024. At approximately 1:35 p.m., Anne Arundel County police officers were dispatched to a residence in the AT-600 block of Gambier Harbor in Pasadena following a report of an armed individual. Upon arrival, officers were informed that the suspect had shot and killed a cat inside the home.
The police department.
They saw her at the back door.
Come outside with your hands up.
Come on. She's got a gun. Gun. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the gun. Guns down. Guns down. Guns down. Guns down. Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Put your hands behind your back. Gloves.
Hold on, Settler, wait for me.
We need fire in him now. Gloves, 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 gloves.
It's back on the staircase.
Sattler, through the house. I got it.
What's her name? Come to the door. It's the police department. It's the police department. We know you're there. Open up the door. Come outside with your hands up.
Come on.
Coming out. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop it.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up now. Put your hands up. Do not go back.
Hands up.
Grab her.
Down on the ground! Down on the fucking ground!
Put your hands behind your back. Gloves. Gloves. Handcuffs. That's what handcuffs. Somebody handcuffs. Rosa.
The suspect was transported to the R. Adams Cowley Shock Trauma Center in critical but stable condition. A firearm was recovered at the scene. A cat was located, deceased, inside the residence from an apparent gunshot wound. Los Angeles, California on April 26, 2024. At approximately 11:45 a.m., uniformed officers from the Northeast Division responded to a shooting investigation in the 100 block of East Avenue 36. Upon arrival, the officers learned that the suspect, later identified as 24-year-old John Lopez, had shot a family member after a verbal altercation and was no longer present at the scene.
781 Roger, at the scene. Was there any casings or a victim?
11:42 A1 Roger that. There was a victim hit and there were casings recovered.
Que se canse. Yeah, he's getting tired, man. He's gonna gas out.
Shooting suspect. Southbound Bailey from Mission. And he's got suspicion units. Southbound Bailey from Mission, suspicion units.
No, go stop it.
Any unit representative for donated requesting a backup area unit supervisor Daily Amarango for shooting suspect. Southbound Bailey from Mission. And he's got suspicion units.
Hit him with the door.
Northbound Bailey from Mission, position units.
There's a shooting suspect.
Northbound Bailey from Mission, position units.
I got his hands. He's with us. I got his hands. Grab it. We're good. Take it out.
Lopez complained of pain to his knees and was treated at a local hospital before being booked for 664-187 a PC, attempt murder. The victim of the shooting sustained non-life-threatening injuries and was held overnight at a local hospital for observation. No officers or other community members were injured during this incident.